Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video we're going to make kings fight their own battles, because in every 20 years we're going to make kings fight their own battles here on the island here. So obviously wars are started out by kings, so it would be fair to make them fight each other to the death without the soldiers getting involved. Or let's just make it a lot more fun. Let's just make the soldiers involved as well, but this time let's make the kings fight in actual combat. We're going to do this step by step. We're going to create an arena here on the middle parts of the land here, and this is going to be our battle area. Let us put some emphasis in our walls here, just to make sure, because as you all know, when they're actually doing a battle, and one is carrying an archer, there's a tendency that the opponent gets pushed off of, boundaries like this. Like for example, if you're pinning two individuals and one has a bow and arrow, if it keeps on shooting and shooting and shooting, the arrow will end up pushing the other individual who's carrying a sword away from the borders that we're trying to restrict them to go to. So let's just create 4 islands by now. I mean 4 cities equals 4 kings, basically. 4 different races as well. So human, elves, orcs, and dwarves. So civilization is now thriving on these parts right here. So still the tribal state, so it doesn't really matter as long as we get our kings. So they're still breeding the best and the finest kings. Okay. Yeah, let's just wait for the civilization a little bit, a couple of seconds more, so just to prime them up, basically. So they could fight, the soldiers could fight, but what matters here is the kings, basically. You have another kingdom here on the top here. Quite a resembles Japan though, does it not? And yeah, let's just wait. And this other half really resembles the Philippines, where I'm currently at. Civilization of elves here. Getting quite advanced now. That's it. We're just waiting for them to actually get into their technological prime in order for their kings to commence battle. That's it. Let's check out the arena here that they're going to be battling into. See those boats passing. Are we ready? I think we're ready, guys. It's time to Look at these ruined houses, probably attacked by bears or something. Now, let's go ahead and start and commence the battle. Let's pick our kings first. If you're having a hard time looking for kings, for the king, you could actually just click on the kingdom and it'll automatically show you who the king is. Like for example, this kingdom right here. We have a king now. Azok. I don't know. I've marked him with a star here. So ultimately there are 4 of them here now. 1 king for each kingdoms. It's time to send him off to war then. You do it this way, spite. This one goes to war here, and this one goes to war here, vice versa. Well, this one goes to war here, this one goes to war here. It's really fun to spite wars. I'm basically playing the role of an evil god here. So let's just see the battles, whether they already taken place. The kings, basically. So they're fighting now. I could only see 2 kings at the moment. So they probably killed... Oh, that was quick. We're left with 1 king. Wow. This is the human king right here. Human kings are really OP, guys. I mean, they've survived this battle royale with all these... That was quick. All these kingdoms right here. And I haven't even given them special traits and all. I haven't even given them special traits, and that was that quick. Wow. Yep, human. Yasibe is the name. Hasn't even taken any damage also. Wow. This kingdom is great. Epoch. Here it is. So human king is the victor of all. So kingdoms are still at war. Guess, you know, kings will be replaced, but you get the point. The strongest king there is Yasibe. It's real hard to pronounce the name. And yep. That's just basically it for the end of this video. Humans win. So thank you so much for watching tech trick tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.